WorkPro has outdone itself again. So this is going to be the heavy-duty rolling shopping tote with handles. It's a folding trolley on 4 caster wheels. Now it can be used for groceries, laundry, camping, moving, anything you need. What I'm going to use it for, and what I'm super excited about, is it's that time of year where I start to hide Christmas presents everywhere. Well, I keep moving them from closet to closet, room to room to make sure that the kids don't find them. This thing is on rubber wheels. I'm going to fill this with all of the presents that I have so far for them, and they're going to think it's my work bag. So I can literally leave it out in my office in plain sight, and they're not going to pay it any attention. They're going to think it's full of my photography props or work items. So I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and fill this thing full. And then I don't have to keep moving stuff. These have the caster wheels. So they're not the chintzy wheels. These are like the rubber wheels. So like it glides real smooth and it doesn't scratch my floor. I love the zipper pocket. This thing is heavy duty. This will allow you, the large one, to hold 264 pounds. That's a lot. So this has got the zippers on the outside. This has got pockets. It's got the 2 handles. Glides so smooth. Love it. Hidden, and they're never even gonna know. I'm super excited about this. I recommend it to every mom. I was sent this to test out, and I can highly recommend it to everybody. This will work for a variety of different situations, but for right now, it's gonna work for holding those gifts.